Yeah, it's gonna get rowdy here really, really quick. I'm out here with my cell phone, and look at this crazy storm coming this way. Starting to get a little bit of sprinkler. Say there can be some hail with this cell. I'm not taking my new camcorder out here. I'll just use my cell phone. Yeah, the north wind just kind of blew in here. I'll stay out here as long as I can. Whew. It's just about here. Big raindrops, cold, big raindrops right now. Whew. Let me get underneath a pergola. Try to keep this camera going as long as I can. There we go. Somewhat protected.